Welcome all guys. So in this video we will go to learn how to install and set up MySQL in the system. First of all, we will go to the MySQL downloader installer and we will select our version. Here we are using 8.0.42 and we are selecting our operating system as Microsoft Windows. Then we will click on the download. There is no need to create a login of your account. We will just click no thanks, just start my download. Then I have already done it. So this is my installer. We will go to the where it is downloaded. Then we click on the installer. Okay, it will require 2-3 permissions from your system. Then it will open. We need all products and features for our machine. Then we click. Then it will show us the option server, workbench, shell, router, documentation, sample example. We have to click execute. It will take some time to download and install. We can see here how their logs file. So all required files are downloaded. Next, then we have to install all of them one by one. It will done automatically. Okay. Here we can check over the progress of our installation. So it is completed. Then we go to the next. Okay, next. Yes, we have here. This is basic setup. We do not have to change make any changes here. Then we click next. We will use our create our password. We will create here root. Okay, you can create a password of your choice. There's then we have to add username maybe. Okay, so we have to confirm password again. We can choose role here according to our requirement or according to the according to the task we are performing. Okay, then we have to click next. There's no changes here. As existing, yes, complete access. We will grant the complete access. Click execute. It will apply the configurations and make the required changes. Okay, it was completely. Then we click finish. We have to router configuration. Click finish. Click. We have to confirm our password here. It will check connection successful. Execute. It will our installation is successfully completed. Okay, it will now we will here, as we can see our workbench is open. We can click enter our password. It will show us our existing database. Okay, to check our schemas. Here we have our schemas and perform our required queries. First of all, we use Sakila here. This is done. DE. Okay, then we now go to the tables. Number of tables. We have the tables of actors. Select star from actor. Okay, then that's complete. We can use control plus enter here, or we can select our query and then click the thunder icon here. Okay, it will at the limit to 0 because okay, we have no database selected. We can go with this. Okay, this is our data. Okay, okay, this here we can see. Here we can see our data. There is another way of doing this. Select star from. We can write it like this: Sakila dot city. We can select our database in this way. Then we press Control plus Enter. Yes, we can see our cities here also. So in this way, we can use other databases just like systems, and we can we can call their procedure by, we can see their procedures here. What how are they created? What are their roles? Then for executing or running the procedure in Workbench, we can click this thunder icon. It will ask for the values, and then if we enter those values, then we click execute. It will return out our result for us. Otherwise, we can select this query and also run them in our local like this. Control C, Control V. Okay, let's see it run or not. Okay, it's not, will not run. First of all, we have to run this, and then we have to run this. Okay, okay, okay. No, guys, we have to enter the values. Yes. So, film ID, store ID. Okay, we need a film ID. Okay, we need a film ID. We need a film ID here. We can film ID is 1 and to Z inventory ID. Select inventory ID from inventory. Okay, we can run this query if it is working or not. We get the inventory ID where film ID equal to P underscore film ID. What is this P underscore procedure underscore film ID? Okay. So that is for this video, guys. Hope you get understand how to use and get uh, familiar with the MySQL interface. There is no need to set up the part if you are installing first time, or we can go through this command line client. We can access our database. For first of all, it will ask for our password. Enter here. Here we can show databases. Okay. Use Sakila selected show the app. No, not wrong. Show login. Uh, okay, in this way we can use our command line too for our requirements. Okay, guys. Hope you like the video. That's us for this video. Thank you, guys.